So today we're installing the FastLab spare tire carrier on this 2019 YXZ. This fits 2016 models and up. The benefits of this system is it's simple. It's bolt on. It leaves a lot of access to the bed and it works well with our molly plate system. This also works with the GYTR box. Moving the spare tire away from the bed and hanging it off the back of the car balances this car out in the whoops. Every YXZ owner is aware that this thing bucks like crazy with how the rear suspension is set up. Getting the center of gravity further back really balances this car out. Another reason why this system is so simple again but works really well is a lot of aftermarket cages don't work with many of the spare tire carriers that are out there right now. This goes off the factory frame rails, does not interfere with a lot of cages. We've tried this with this CageWorks Super Shorty. It will work with the LSK weld it yourself cages, with the crash cages, and many more. So the 2019 and up models, you're going to take a provided scribe right alongside the frame rail, all the way to the top of the bed lip. 2016 to 2018 models are going to have a metal bracket here that holds the plastics in. You're going to have to cut that off and measure down appropriately on the previous year models. It's always nice to have a second set of hands to help you install these. With a 3/16 Allen, go ahead and loosely start one side of the clamps. And then move to the other side. So on our spare tire carrier, we actually have both Yamaha YXZ bolt patterns. We include loose hardware for you to install on the correct pattern. Our outside pattern is 4x156 for 2019 models and up. The inside is 4x110 for 2016 to 2018 models.